welcome back, guys. So today I have a special unboxing for you guys to check this one out. This one is the brand new Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max that I pay in full price without trade-in or anything. And this one is the unlocked version from Apple directly. This one probably shipped directly from China, from the manufacturer. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys real quick. By the way, I was supposed to get this on October 1st or October 2nd. And I got this yesterday, which is the 27th of the September. I was kind of surprised. So let's go ahead and open this up real quick. And unbox this and show you guys. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. Alright. So I did the pre-order last time in case you guys didn't follow it. This one is the Gold edition. And 256 gigabyte. The reason I got this 256 gigabyte instead of 512 because my wife's phone is 256 and that's enough storage for her. So I'm not going to buy 512 and then the value depreciate right away. So let's go ahead and take this one out. Let's see if I can push out here. Wow, look at that. It's a brand new factory seal iPhone. Even the iPhone letters is in like a gold. And then the Apple too. I'll show you guys real quick. So this is 256 gigabyte. Alright. Let's go ahead and open this up. So yeah, I like to keep everything new in case you guys want to trade in. No, not trade in case you guys want to sell your iPhone later on. When the iPhone 12 is coming out, you want to keep everything brand new, okay? Let's move this out of the way. Wow, look at that. Ooh, this is nice. So this is like the back end is like a frosty instead of shiny glossy. You got the shiny glossy around the lens right here, okay? Around this round square. There is your Apple logo right there. And where the Apple logo is at, it is pretty shiny and glossy. See right there? Wow, look at that. So here's your volume rocker up and down and your silent switch. Some of the silent switch is much smaller. And then your microphone and your speaker grill on the bottom here. And unfortunately, they're still using the lightning charging port. They didn't upgrade to the USB Type-C, unfortunately. And right here is your SIM card tray. And your side button or your power button. And then there's nothing on top. And they come with this design by Apple in California. See what's inside here. Oh, you got the SIM eject pin right here. So you can eject it. And then your Apple, two of your Apple logo sticker. And this hello. About your Face ID side button. And then power off, how to turn off your phone. And here's your here's your earbuds with the lightning port. And then yours your charging port right here. Oh, charging cable. Your charging cable. It is USB Type C to lightning charging adapter. That's kind of weird. And then this one is the fast charging brick. Pretty heavy. So yeah, this adapter is different than. So you will probably need a converter for a USB if you don't have the new MacBook Pro or MacBook Mini or MacBook Air. They uses USB Type C to connect it to your computer. Oh yeah, let me go ahead and then try on some cases that I got from my vendors. All right, so I got 3 of this ArmadilloTek case from Carl. So I wanted to give a shout out to him again for sending me this sample, so I can show you guys real quick. This is a military grade, and this is the Vanguard series. As you can see, military grade rugged protection. So let's go ahead and open this iPhone 11 Pro Max. And the good thing about this, it comes with the screen protector. So before you put it on, you want to go ahead and put the front first. I like to do is put those 2 buttons and match it up real quick first. And then you snap it on to the other side. Ooh, it's kind of tight fit. All right. So yeah, clips in there pretty nicely. And then you want to go ahead and put the top in first. And you want to align it and make sure this rubber, silicone or TPU, it is wrapped around the edges. Okay. I know it looks kind of bulky, but hey, you want to protect your expensive phone, you want to go ahead and do that, okay? Okay. Wow, the button is pretty tactile, and then you will need to get your finger in there and then flip the switch. What's going on? Because it is pretty deep in there. And it says Vanguard series right here. It says Vanguard right here, okay? And then here's your cutout for your microphone and your speaker grill. And here's a flap right here. You want to go ahead and cover your lightning port, okay? Because I know it is waterproof, but you want to give extra protection. You don't want the lint, dust, or dirt get in there, or water. And then here's your side button. Wow, it's pretty tactile too. You can hear that. And there's a cutout for all your sensor, proximity sensor, your front-facing camera. So cutout right there. And by the way, I'm going to put an extra protection on there. I'm going to add a piece of glass screen protector on there. Although this one has kind of plastic protective on here, but it is kind of bubblish right now because there's another film that's inside. You're supposed to peel it off and then seal tight together. But this is just to show you guys real quick what this phone is going to look like. It is going to be bulky, but if in case you crack the backing, it's going to cost you about 500 something just to fix it back, okay? So you're going to go ahead and put this on and then protect it. And then this one has a kickstand, which is pretty nice. It allows you to put it landscape or the portrait mode. Portrait mode, there are like two different angles. One is a higher elevation, and then this one is a lower. Okay. Just turn this on real quick. This is the first time that I'm turning on this brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Because I'm giving this phone to my wife for her birthday. So there you go. It says hello. All right. So yeah, that would not affect the swiping or anything like that. The screen protector. Just go and click on English, and then you're gonna set your region. I'm gonna set this up for my wife through the iTunes then, and that's it. I'll be including the link that's gonna show within the description, so you guys can check out this ArmadilloTek case. They have different colors, different style, and then so many different models for your Samsung, your LG, Sony, and different other brands. So go ahead and check them out. And I want to give a shout out to Carl again for sending me this to do the review for you guys. So anyway, hopefully you guys like this unboxing video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in a comment on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.